Hi everyone, Jess here, and today I'm joined with Antonio Castillo. Thank you for joining me today.
It's a pleasure, thank you.
So, thinking about the connectivity landscape, what is Airbus's contribution to the vision of hyperconnected airspace, and what are the main challenges here?
So, our main focus is to offer connectivity to all of our customers wherever they need it. So, to achieve that, we're working in several fronts. We are working on the direct-to-device cases, also direct-to-VSAT cases, and we are also using both FR1, FR2 cases to check and reach our customers in the best way. Additionally, we are combining both GEO and LEO assets to achieve this. And of course, the other very important part is the standards. We're moving on to standards to make sure that we can offer this connectivity in the cheapest way, in the most effective way.
Absolutely. And in terms of the rate of progress that we're seeing, where are the limitations coming in? Is it with the tech that's available? Is it with the possibilities of the tech? Is it with the standards that you're saying?
So I think it's good to see all the energy in the industry, how things are developing and so on. At the same time, the fragmentation, it's a big issue, the different set of standards, of technologies. So we are a very big supporter of achieving universal standards as much as possible. That's why we are liaising with 3GPP and with mobile communication standards. We have launched this initiative, Seamless Air Alliance, where we will support the use of this technology, 3GPP, NTN, for also the aviation industry, because we think it can bring a lot of benefit to the industry.
And you touched just now on the sort of various players within the ecosystem. How much still needs to be done in terms of streamlining, and what are the major benefits of this to the ecosystem as a whole?
Right, that's also very important. Of course, with the regulation, EASA and the different bodies are bringing new needs. For example, we have the need to implement the 4D trajectories by early 2028. That means it will bring a lot of benefit to the industry in terms of cost savings, more efficiency in the operations, higher security, the safety for the operations, and that's great. And where we believe we can bring a big improvement is to do that, you need continuous connectivity and you need seamless connectivity so that you can get the data, you can analyze the data, and you can optimize it. Even in real time, and even now that everybody likes a lot to speak about artificial intelligence, maybe in the future you can also do it in an automated way through artificial intelligence. Of course, it will take time. Of course, you need the standards to develop and the understanding. But I think we will get there eventually.
Absolutely. And of course, the sort of satellites and the connectivity is the cornerstone of a lot of this hyperconnected ecosystem. Can you tell me a little bit more about the trajectory of your next generation of satellites and the importance of flexibility as you move forward? So like you say, this ability to integrate emerging technologies where necessary.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks for the question. It's something we presented also here in the forum today. It's where are we working now in our satellites, and we have several areas. Of course, we're working in the improvement of our GEO satellites. It's our main platforms now to bring them to the future with more bandwidth, more flexibility, more capacity, of course. Together with the improvement of our LEO satellites and the platforms, the interconnectivity they can offer. And when you mix everything together, bringing also, for example, an area where we are leaders in the laser communications, we can achieve all this improvement that we are talking about. And at the end, of course, what I also mentioned in my presentation is the use of standards. So as I mentioned, 3GPP, NTN, I think that will bring the satellite industry to the next level and allow us to bring all these since long expected improvements, and eventually we'll make it.
That's great. And how do you think events like Aerospace Tech Week help to drive meaningful innovation in the industry?
I think one key point is it brings the industry together, different players. They may be experts in their areas, but of course, it's always good to discover what the other areas of the business are doing, and this cross-fertilization of ideas, of understanding, I think what brings the industry to the next level. When you combine, I was speaking with companies here on artificial intelligence, and they applied maybe in an area. I can come and say, hey guys, by the way, if you use it also for space, we would also benefit from such a capability. So this possibility to improve and bring ideas from different areas is great, and that happens in these forums, yes.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us again this
Thanks
year.
to you. Thank you for having us here.